Lezi ndondo esihlonipha bosendo lwase-Afrika isineminyaka emihlanu yabakhona. Zasungulwa ukweseka isiphakamiso sesigungu se-UN esaphasiswa ngo-2013 sokuhlonishwa bosendo lwase-Afrika phakathi kwa-2015 no-2024.
It is not an award show, it is a recognition platform because the first pillar of the international decade, as declared by the UN General Assembly, is recognition. So we are recognizing the positive contributions of people of African descent.
Umdidiyelo omkhulu wohlelo le-I-SABC i-Full View uqonyiswe ngendondo i-Hall of Fame ngokudidiyela uhlelo malunga nokutholakala kwezingane zamantombazana amaqabelo kanye nezikhukhula zaKwaZulu-Natal ngasekuqaleni konyaka.
To receive this accolade for the SABC in the Hall of Fame and to sit amongst other leaders in this country, like we heard, the mayor of New York and with Kenya, and last night I met the deputy president of Costa Rica, to exchange those type of relationships and for the South African broadcaster to be here is immense gratitude, and we feel so humbled.
Umethuli wohlelo i-Full View umenyaze ohlwini labantu abaqavile abangaphansi kweminyaka engamashumi ngomsebenzi wakhe kwabezindaba nesiko.
It means it can't just be for me, it's for the team as well, but it means that when I go back home, what do I do for the young person in Africa, not only South Africa, in Africa, to ensure that they get to that level that they want to see themselves in.
U-FC Campbell Bar obeyiphindi likamongameli wokuqala onsunde Latin America kanodokotela uJibril Diallo ongumongameli we-African Renaissance and Diaspora Network bona baqonyiswe ngezindondo ze-Lifetime Award.
God has made me a symbol of what we could accomplish. I am so perfectly imperfect. There's nothing unique and special about me. God wanted to show us. I'm going to take someone that's broken in many places, in many ways. Dyslexic, arrested as a child, rejected. Now I'm elected. I'm the mayor of the city of New York.